wide awake faces. Everybody have a good weekend? Thumbs, kind of okay. Oh, I see a lot of thumbs up and a lot of kind of okays. So, today, I have to remind you guys that we have to do, all by myself. We have to do our daily check-ins. How many of you remembered today before class to go and do your daily check-in? Oh, I see a few thumbs up. Okay, and if you didn't, don't panic about it. But after we're done, I want you guys to go and do your daily check-in, okay? Everybody in the whole school and in the whole county has to do these check-ins. Make sure you guys are muted. I don't know who I've still got who's not muted. Okay, so if you remember, if you haven't been here, we're going to walk through it really quick, okay? So you're going to go to the Google Classroom, and at the very top of your Google Classroom, it's going to be under your daily tasks. And you're going to look for the daily check-in form, okay? And you're going to click this. It's going to be in the same place every day, okay? You'll click it, and it's going to pull up this survey, and it'll be super, super fast. You just put your name, and then your homeroom and grade level, okay? And then you're going to answer two or three questions. I want to know how you're feeling. Select the description that fits you today. I'm a little tired today, but I'm pretty happy, so I pick happy, okay? And then it's going to ask,
can you guys see okay?
Is there anything I'm worried about? Well, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm not having any problems, so I'm going to put thumbs up. But some days I might be worried. And then guess what? That's it, guys. And then you're just going to go ahead and submit, and that's going to send that to the school every day. So if you didn't do this yet, that's okay. Just after the live Google Meet, I want you guys to remember you have to do it every day. Okay? Can I get a thumbs up so I know you guys heard and understand every day? Okay? Okay? I'm looking. I'm watching, guys. Let me see thumbs up. Let me see them. Let me see them. Yep, okay. Yep, you know I'm looking at you. Okay. So we're going to have Miss Harris come up. Oh, Miss Turnage now is going to come up. So can I get spear fingers, Miss Turnage? Spear fingers? Okay.
Do you want the lights on or on?
Can you see this? Can you see that good? Am I pinned? Do you have your teacher pinned? Do you have your teacher pinned? You should just see me. You should just see me. Okay, does it look better on or off? I don't know. Can you see it better on or off?
Do we have somebody who has themselves?
Me no.
I think on. It looks kind of hard to see on.
Okay. Is that better? Just the brightness needs to
Yeah,
turn
the
off.
brightness needs to turn off.
Okay, so in your journal, every Monday we're going to do journal. Over the weekend, I want to know what you did over the weekend. We all do. We're like, what did you do over the weekend? So, I made a little example for you, and I already got it in there just a little bit. So, in your directions, it says, if you're in my class, you'll know how to do this. I'll be like, over the weekend, I blah, 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 blah. Then, I blah, 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 blah. Next, I, help me. Blah, 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 blah. And I felt blah, 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 blah. Okay? So, when you see blah, 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 that means I need detail, detail, detail. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Right? And an ending. Okay, so here's my real fast journal entry because I'm quick. I write my name, I write the date, every time. So when I check it, I'll know what date you wrote that, and if you take a picture of it, I'll know whose it is. Right? Yes. I want you to put all that down, sweet girl. All down. Eyes on me. Okay, so over the weekend, we're always going to start with that. Over the weekend, I went to the blah. Well, I went to the... Everybody? Beach, which I went to Emerald Isle. When I get to be a really good writer, I'm going to write Emerald Isle because that's proper noun. That's where I went. I just didn't go to any old beach. I went to Emerald Isle. So my next detail, I went on a boat. I should have put the color of the boat. I went on a red boat and rode to a place to eat lunch is my blah blah. Then my third detail. You probably want to know what I ate because it was really good. I ate crab cakes. And they were delicious. Okay, so these are my short details. That's my blah, and I've got one more blah. Then I went to an island to what? Swim. Okay, and normally when I become a really good writer, I'm gonna put, and I got on a raft and I rode the current all the way around in the waves, and then I tell you how I got flipped over and almost drowned. But I'm not gonna tell you that right now. I'm just gonna do what I can. Then I've got to put a what on it, everybody? Everybody. Ending. Thank you. An ending. I felt, I felt happy, of course. I felt sad, nah. Shy, nah. Excited is even better than happy. I felt so excited to be there. I love it so much. So I felt excited to be on the island. Okay, I'll take island. On the island. Bam. And I would usually put with my friends. But that's okay. I didn't have any friends this weekend. It's just me and Mr. Frank. That's okay. All right, so there's my journal. That was easy. Easy schmeezy. Spelling doesn't count yet, right? Do the best you can. All right, ta-ta. Do your journal today. Up next is math class. Math class. Say yeah. Okay, so now. Come on then. Okay, so everybody's paying really good attention. We're not.
All right, while the board's
We're
turned
way
back
far
on,
from
get
the
your
table.
whiteboards out and ready.
Way far from the table where I put you last time. Get your whiteboard. You can scoot up to get your whiteboard. I'm sorry.
Whiteboards out and ready. We're still talking about place value. Place value. We're still drawing our our pictures of our blocks. So what do we draw for 100? What do we draw?
10 blocks.
A square.
A square. When we draw 100, we draw a square. I'm going to put an H for 100. What do we draw for 10?
A
A line, a stick. Yep. A line is a 10. What do we draw for a 1? A circle. Remember, circle, they both have O's. They both look like O's. And my friends on the computer can't really see that. Okay? So we draw squares for hundreds, 6 for 10s, and circles for 1s. Alright. You guys like that?
Okay, let me stop and start you again.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
Oh no, you're fine.